begin to understand how geometric shapes and how colors and shades on a two-dimensional surface creates this three-dimensional optical illusion. And I just think it's truly a fascinating phenomenon. So I think that things like art and music, if you're a research scientist, really helps you philosophically grounded. It gives you a solid foundation of how things work, right?
Now I want to talk about this. First off, I didn't understand a word you said. Not a damn word you said.
I have
nothing. I heard you said some things like light and dark. Some of those words I get it. Let me ask you this, because I know you're.
I can't tell if this is a really great show or this is a complete disaster.
I can tell you, I don't know either. But listen, listen. You're also a psychic, right? You're a psychic. Tell me to what degree that you are a psychic, and maybe, and tell me what that even means.
I won't say psychic. I would say I won't say I'm psychic, but I discuss a lot of stuff related to extrasensory perception, and that includes psychic ability. That's